Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What
Good
are the
morning.
chapters that are coming in syllabus?
Chapters coming for UT2.
Yes, sir.
You will get the syllabus very soon. I think the same
Sir,
two chapters. Uh,
every teacher tell.
every teacher has told.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Amika.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are
So please
you?
tell everybody.
I
Sir,
think
what is
I am not sure, but I think those two chapters only will be coming. The first one being that your what was it? Basic
Multiple factors.
basic geometrical shapes, I think. क्या था? What was that?
Geometrical shapes तो है.
No, this is the first chapter that we are doing. Have we done any chapter before?
No,
We are
sir.
doing factors and multiple.
इससे पहले हमने
Yes,
बेटा कोई
sir.
कोई चैप्टर और करा है इससे पहले?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I am mixing your syllabus
Sir,
with
when
class
we will
5.
complete it. Sir, when
I
we will
think you are saying
Yeah, yeah. I got confused. I was mixing your syllabus with class 5 syllabus. No,
excuse
class
me.
5 have done basic geometrical shapes.
Sir,
Sir, excuse
Hmm.
me. Sir,
Hmm.
excuse me.
Hmm.
Sir, in December it is my birthday.
अरे वाह बेटा, when?
26 December.
26th. Very good.
And sir, Arhan also have the birthday on 26 December, 27 December next to me.
So that will be a Sunday, I think, 26th of December,
sir.
if my calculation is correct. My calculation is correct or not? 26th will be a Sunday.
What we will do today?
Yes, sir, it is the correct.
We will
Because
continue the chapter multiples and factors. I introduced the topic HCF yesterday. I hope you all are clear what is HCF.
so
You
what
all-
highest common factors are from many. So how will we will find that this is the last highest common factor.
There is only one highest common factor of any two numbers.
Sir, you have not tell about HCF to yesterday. We were on twin prime.
नहीं बेटा, मैंने HCF भी बताया था कल. So we are doing the topic HCF. Okay, everyone. I will be telling the topic again. Don't worry. So we are again taking an example. भव्य, अब मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Please pay attention. Example again. One more example. You don't have to write anything in your copy. Okay. Let's understand what is the meaning of HCF and what is HCF. HCF की full form highest common factor. सबसे बड़ा common factor. Easy. ठीक है. So let's write two numbers. Let's take 20 and 25. I have taken two numbers here. Okay. So first of all, let us find out the common factors of 20 and 24. Let's write down the factors of 20 and 24. 20 के factors. 20 के factors मैं सारे लिख रहा हूँ. देखो all of you. You all will
sir,
also.
2 tens are, sir, 120 is a 20.
Yes.
Sir, 2 tens are 20.
And 4 5s are 20. So 4 is also a factor. 5 4s are 20.
5 fours are 20.
10
10
and 20 itself. 25. 1 is a factor.
1.
5 के टेबल में आता है
5, sir, 5.
25 itself.
Sir, 25, okay. Sir, 25 itself.
Only 3
Sir,
factors.
sir, they are not a...
Sir,
Sir, they
5
are
is
not-
common multiple.
So 1 is a common multiple.
Yes,
Am I right? 1 is a common
One.
multiple.
Yes, sir.
And 5 is also a common multiple. What
Sir,
is the
5 is
HCF?
Sir, 5.
HCF highest common factor. Common factor highest तो कौन सा है? 5. 5 is the greatest common factor of the two numbers, so HCF is 5. Clear or not?
Clear.
ये मैंने अपने साइन भी कर दिए साथ में ऐसी मजे में. Okay, so let's take one more example. ठीक है बेटा, I hope it is clear.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
when you write on the board, you write with your finger or with the help of mouse?
I write it with the help of mouse. See how fast I can write.
So how did you give your sign?
देखा कितनी तेज लिखता हूँ.
Sir, I know from what
Sir,
you
please
write.
write my name. Sir, please write my name.
Sir, I know from what
Sir, please
you
write.
write.
Bhavya. Okay, so this is actually not a mouse. It is a pen only. I write it with the help of a pen. There is a tablet and there is a pen.
Yes, sir.
A separate pen
Yes,
tablet.
sir, I know.
That's not that kind of tablet. वो laptop, वो sorry, mobile वाली tablet होती है ना, वो नहीं है. It is
Sir,
a
iPhone tablet. Sir,
pen
iPhone
tablet, which we no, not iPhone. It is a pen tablet which we have to connect it with the laptop, and then we write it on the tablet, and it comes on the laptop screen. Okay.
That means the
So there is a separate pen for it.
iPhone.
Huh?
Sir, after this, can we do a quiz?
No, beta, no quiz today. At all.
No, sir. No, sir.
No quiz. Example, another example. एक एग्जाम्पल मैं दे रहा हूँ, उसके बाद मैं आपसे पूछूंगा. यू विल गिव मी द आंसर. ओके, ये वाला मैं बता रहा हूँ. वन मोर टाइम. So pay attention. You don't have to write anything. Don't take any tension. Just enjoy. So 30 and let's take the number
15. Sir, 15. Sir, 15.
24.
5. Sir, 5.
24. So 30 and 24. 30 का operation. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Sir, if the number is big of 3 or 2 digit, like 30 is, so we will write 3 1s are 3 like this. 15. We write 24.
Sir, 1, 2.
बेटा, all of you please listen. जब एक बच्चा बोल रहा होता है, आपको उस बच्चे की आवाज आ रही है, तो बाकी बच्चों को नहीं बोलना चाहिए. मुझे तो सुनाई नहीं दिया वामिका ने क्या बोला, तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा वो बेचारी क्या पूछ रही है. जैसे अगर किसी का डाउट होगा, अगर वो बच्चे का डाउट मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा, तो फिर अच्छा थोड़ी ना, तो उस बच्चे को अच्छा लगेगा ना मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. अगर मान लीजिए आप प्रॉब्लम पूछ रहे हैं और कोई बच्चा बीच में इंटरप्ट कर दे, तो विल यू लाइक इट? नो. यस वामिका, कंटिन्यू.
Sir, I'm saying like if the digit is of 3 or 2 digit number, like 30 is, we will found, because the 0 is we can do with the help of 3 1s are like this. But how will we do of 24?
24?
Sir, how we will do operation of 24?
24 अभी करते हैं. Don't worry. See, there is another.
Sir, 24 factors I have.
Because you are in class 4. सुनो मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. You are in class 4. Till now you are only understanding the basics of HCF. HCF क्या होता है, इसका मीनिंग समझ रहे हैं बस. Methods of finding HCF, और भी बहुत सारे methods हैं to find HCF, which you are going to learn in your higher classes. अभी आपको वो methods नहीं सीखना है, ठीक है?
You will tell us in 5th, because
हाँ,
I know.
अगर मैं 5th क्लास तक बचा तो जरूर I will tell you. ठीक है? तो 1, 2, 3, 5 is also a factor of 30. 6 is a factor of 30. 10 is a factor of 30.
10.
15.
30. 30.
So many factors. 24.
Sir, 24. 24 factors can attend.
24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 24.
8, 12, 24 कितने हो गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, या हो गए? दोनों के सारे फैक्टर्स लिख लिए. लेट्स फाइंड आउट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स. Highlighting the common factors. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3,
Sir, 6 is
but
the
6, 6. Any other common factor left? No.
no, sir.
HCF मिल गया
No,
हमको.
sir.
What is the biggest common factor is? 6.
6. 6.
6 is the highest common factor. समझ में आ गया? What is HCF? How to find HCF?
Yes. Sir, I have doubt.
Yes, Vamika.
Sir, the question is, it can of like 25 and 40 and 50 also. You have to find the.
You mean to say 3 numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it can also come. That also we will do,
Sir,
but
I
not
was
now.
also thinking to ask that only.
Yes, we will do it, but not now. Afterwards. Okay, I am giving you 2 numbers. Everyone, pay attention and find out the HCF of these 2 numbers. Very
Okay,
easy
sir.
number. 15 and 18. Find the HCF of these 2 numbers. 15 and 18. Give your answer in the chat box. कर दिया मैंने chat box start. You can give your answer in the chat box. Waiting for more answers. 2 answers I have got. Okay, I think most of you have given the answer. Some of you are still left. Okay, one more. Okay, time up, everyone. Let's discuss the answer. 15.
Please wait for 2 minutes.
All of you, please start the video. Everyone,
For 2 minutes.
please.
Sir, sir, it will take some time, sir. Please wait.
बहुत टाइम हो गया भव्य.
Please wait, just.
हाँ, okay. Last
only
one.
20 minutes left.
Last 20 seconds. भव्य जल्दी करो.
Sir, for class to get over.
Yeah.
So the class is over.
नहीं,
Sir, 3 is the.
it will get
Sir,
over at
3.
12:20. Alankrita. It will get over at 12:20.
Sir, it will get over at 1:40.
No, 12. This period. This period will get over at 12:20. What is the answer, Bhavya Rastogi?
3.
Sir, CF is
2, 3.
3 is the
1,
answer.
3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15.
Correct.
Sir, 18, 1, 9, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 18.
Okay.
Sir, 3 is matching, but not any number. which is
1,
more.
1, 3,
1 and 3
3.
are not.
1 and 3 are common factors. The highest common factor is
1 and
3.
HCF is 3.
ठीक है?
3.
HCF is 3. One more question. Ready?
No, sir, we will not. Ma'am, we can't. Sir, we can't do exercises.
Beta, we will do the exercises. Don't worry. One more.
Sir, the school is on the exercise 57.
57?
And they have ended the chapter now. Yes, sir. They have ended the
57?
chapter.
57? 57? How many exercises?
Sorry, sir. I am saying 57. 5.7. Sir, they have ended the chapter. That chapter.
Don't worry. We will cover everything. Okay, next one. Find the HCF of 7 and
9.
11.
Sir, 9.
7 and 11. चलिए. Very easy. It should take less than 1 minute. Send your answer in the chat box. Array, all of you send your answer. Vamika has already sent it. Your answer is correct, Vamika. Okay. Anmol, check your answer again. Not correct. Alankrita, correct. Please keep your videos on, everyone. Arhan, what is your answer? Bhavya Rastogi, what is your answer? Why are you taking so much time, everyone? It is a very easy question. Seven. Let's see. अरहान क्या कर रहे हो यार? You're not getting the correct answer. 7 factors of 7, only 2, 1 and 7 itself, because 7 is a prime number. आप देख लीजिए, only 2 factors. 11, again only 2 factors, 1 and 11 itself. So दोनों ही numbers के सिर्फ दो factors है. That means both the numbers are.
Sir, I am disconnected. Sir, I am disconnected. Please tell again. Sir, one is the highest count factor.
Correct answer. So both the numbers have only 2 factors and there is only one common factor, which is 1.
Sir, now can video, please.
So that means the HCF is equal to 1. Got it, all of you? Arhan, 42 कैसे आया तुम्हारा?
Sir, I thought it's HCM.
HCM तो कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yes, sir,
HCF,
so that is why it's written.
HCM तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What chapters are coming in UT2?
Beta, I will have to discuss with the other teachers also. Maria ma'am is teaching in the other sections, I think.
No, sir. In the school.
Sir, now what we will do?
Okay, so now we have, because understood HCF, there is only just one more topic left, which is co-primes. उसके बाद we will be starting the exercise. So this exercise, before starting the exercise, we had to study so many concepts. कौन से इतने सारे concepts हमने पढ़े? हमने पढ़ा prime number क्या होते हैं, हमने पढ़ा composite numbers क्या होते हैं. We studied what are twin primes.
LCM and HCF.
HCF पढ़ा, LCM नहीं पढ़ा अभी. We have not done LCM. And now we are going to study co-prime numbers. Prime लिख दिया, prime. Co-prime. ठीक है, co-prime numbers, co-primes भी बोल सकते हैं. So ये इतने सारे topics हमको पढ़ने हैं before starting the exercise. Just one more topic is left, which is co-prime. Co-prime. This topic we are going to do now. Rest of the topics can take rest. Co-primes. Co-primes. Again, co-primes जो होते हैं वो पेयर में होता है. सिंगल नंबर कभी co-prime नहीं होता है. वामिका को पहले से पता है co-prime क्या होता है.
Sir, I can tell
Sir,
what
I
is
want to-
co-prime.
Wait a
Then
minute.
I
Wait
Sir, I can tell what is co-prime.
a
Sir, can I
minute. Wait
tell?
a minute, everyone. Wait a minute. Numbers, co-prime numbers are always in pair. सिंगल नंबर कभी आप co-prime नहीं बोल सकते. ठीक है, जैसे ट्विन प्राइम में भी पेयर में होते हैं, यहाँ पर भी पेयर में होते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है ट्विन प्राइम एंड को-प्राइम में. 8. Let's take a
Sir,
number
can I
8
tell?
and let's take a number 15. Let's take these two numbers. तो सबसे पहले चलो वामिका बताओ क्या होता है.
Sir, I want to read the definition of co-prime.
Do you want to read the definition? का हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, definition हम लोग बाद में पढ़ लेंगे. Do you anyone is there anyone who knows what is?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, अलंकृता क्या होते हैं co-prime?
The numbers which have only one common factor are co-prime.
Numbers which have only one common factor are known as co-primes. Correct. I think you have also read the definition. Correct definition. But definition तो बात की बात है, पहले हमें समझना चाहिए कि मीनिंग क्या है इसका. Okay, so
Sir, I
first
don't understand from book. I only understand from the teacher who explain.
very good, Vamika. Okay, question. These are two numbers, 8 and 15. Let's find out the factors of 8. ये prime, co-prime, composite numbers, HCF, everything is based on which topic? Everything, all these things are based on factors. ये सब चीजें factors से ही पता चलती हैं हमको. Am I right or not? अभी तक हम लोग सिर्फ इस एक्सरसाइज के लिए हम लोगों का फोकस किस चीज के ऊपर है? सिर्फ फैक्टर्स के ऊपर है. अगर फैक्टर्स आपको पता होगा क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फैक्टर्स, देन इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ प्राइम, कंपोजिट, HCF, ट्विन प्राइम, को प्राइम, सबका मीनिंग समझ में आ जाएगा इजीली. सो 8 के फैक्टर्स 1 2 4 and 8 itself.
1 2 4 8. 7 2 4 8.
15
15 के
1
3
5
5
5 15.
1 3 5 15. Okay, so
So the common one is 1.
there is only one common factor. वो one common factor कौन सा है?
Sir, 1.
1 is the common factor. You can see only one common factor.
Yes, sir.
एक ही है. मैंने कुछ बताया नहीं बेटा. हाँ सॉरी, क्या हुआ?
Sir, please what are co-prime because I am disconnected.
बेटा I was doing the factors of 8 and 15. ठीक है, 8 और 15 के factors कर लिए. And now we are seeing the common factors. Common factors कितने हैं 8 and 15 के?
1. Sir, that is
कितने
1.
हैं? How many? Only one common factor, and that is 1 only. So we can say that 8 and 8, 18 कहाँ से? 8 and 15 are co-primes. फिर हम इनको बोलेंगे these two are co-primes. अच्छा बच्चों एक बात बताओ, 8 is a prime number or not? जरा इसके factors को देखो, factors को देख के बताओ 8 is a prime number or not?
Sir, composite number.
It is a composite. This is a composite number.
In also composite.
8 is composite. 15 is also composite number. 8 भी composite है, 15 भी composite है. But still the two numbers are co-primes. तो co-primes होने के लिए prime number होना जरूरी नहीं है. Okay? प्राइम नंबर भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं भी हैं अगर, तो को प्राइम हो सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
Sir, before you tell, I think that it co-prime means composite prime.
Not composite prime. Actually co-prime, को वो जो वर्ड है वो it is used when two things or more than two things are coming together. Combination. ठीक है. Co-word is generally used for combination. The combination of two numbers is prime. ठीक है, co-prime. Okay. So the two numbers have only one common factor, which is 1. Therefore, we can say that the two numbers are co-primes. Clear, everyone?
No, sir.
No, sir. Arey.
Sir, if
Yes,
it is
sir.
coming 1, then only it is I am saying co-prime.
Sorry बेटा, फिर से बोलो.
Sir, if it is coming 1 in both, so it is only co-prime.
If it is coming on,
Sir, I am saying that if it is the common factor is 1, that
yes,
only
yes. Only then the two numbers are co-prime. If the only common factor is 1, then the two numbers are co-primes. Absolutely right.
Sir, now I understand.
Okay.
Sir,
Very
please
good.
write in this writing only.
Write in what?
This in which you have written common factors.
This thing? You mean to say write in this handwriting?
Yes, sir, this time only.
Yes, sir, because we can understand this writing.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can't understand this writing?
Yes, sir, we cannot.
Acha, sorry. My handwriting is very poor. I'm sorry. I will try to write better. Okay. मैं थोड़ा
It
जल्दी
is
जल्दी लिख
better.
लेता हूँ.
Our
Okay.
handwriting.
I will try to write like this now. ठीक है. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I will
Yes,
try
sir.
to write like this, clear and understandable. Okay. Okay, all of you. So the class is over now. We are going to continue the topic tomorrow. In the last period, we will do GK. Okay. Thank you.